what is the trick which says repeat as it is? Means you have to repeat as it is without changing anything. Like whatever I'm speaking right now, you will have to repeat from your mouth, and it should be repeated again and again, so it will go inside your mind, right? So whatever I'm speaking, whatever I'm saying, you have to repeat from your mouth, and it should be in repeatable method, right? So you have not to be stopped. Do not stop, ruko mat. Just you have to keep speaking, you have to keep repeating again and again. So what will happen, it will become your habit, it will become familiar with you. Then you will be speaking automatically, because pattern will be made. Once the pattern is made, then only it will become familiar for you. And when something is familiar to you, then it will be easy to speak English in right direction. So it is easy trick which is says repeat as it is. Means whatever I'm speaking right now, you have to repeat as it is. Okay, so it will you will then you will catch the pattern of speaking, pattern to make the sentence, pattern to make the sentence of the making, right? It will be caught by you. Catch, caught, right? This is a third form. So it will be caught by you. So how does it trick work? It trick says whatever you are repeating again and again as it is, which is spoken by someone, okay, so it will become your pattern, because it will be caught by your subconscious mind. Once it is caught by your subconscious mind, then it will be easy to make the pattern, because everything is pattern. If right now, if I'm speaking something, right, before some time, it also was not easy for me. I also was struggling somewhere, I also was facing some problem, I also was making some mistakes. But if right now I can speak English very well with fluency, then what is the reason I also have used this trick and technique that is called repeat as it is. Whatever is spoken by someone, if he is speaking right, okay, and whatever is spoken by him, just you have to copy his words, just you have to copy his tone, just you have to copy his sentence, and just you have to copy his way of speaking. Then then how it will work? It will work because you are copying him. Whenever you are copying to someone, then you are catching, you are holding, you are copying his pattern, and pattern is everything.